What is CNC machine? Machines don't think, it doesn't guess. CNC machines follow instructions. It moves exactly as it's told. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It means a computer controls the movement of the machine. What a CNC machine really is. CNC machines are computer-controlled motion machines. Every movement is controlled by a computer program. Why this matters? Precision, repeatability, efficiency. Because a computer controls the motion, CNC machines can move with extreme precision, repeat the same task, and work efficiently. What CNC machine role in manufacturing? Make manufacturing more efficient. This is why CNC machines are essential in modern manufacturing. They reduce errors, save time, and increase production quality. CNC machines can work with metal, plastic, wood, composites. CNC machines are powerful enough to produce parts from almost any hard material, including metals, plastics, wood, and composites. How power meets control. The real strength of a CNC machine is not just power. It's the combination of power and precise control. Common misunderstanding. CNC machines don't think, they follow instructions. A CNC machine does not understand the part. It only follows the instructions it receives. The key idea to remember, understanding. CNC starts with understanding control. To troubleshoot CNC problems, you must first understand how control and motion work together. Understanding machines starts with simple thinking. Once you understand the basics, complex CNC problems become easier to solve. If this explanation helped you, like the video and subscribe for more practical CNC troubleshooting.